True design isn't about adding more. It's about taking away until only the essential remains. Quietly re-engineering the world with absolute precision. Real design isn't a pretty pitch deck or a sleek glass office. It's quiet architecture fixing businesses where it actually matters. Minimal effort, maximum intellect, zero noise.
Everyone's building flashy, useless metaverses, the quiet architect just saved a $1 billion supply chain with 4 lines of edgeai code. Less, but better.
Executives authorize the purchase of 4K IP cameras. They mount them above active production lines to guarantee safety. The management team signs the purchase orders. The operational reality tells a different story. The night shift operator knows the truth. He calls those cameras expensive dust collectors. Supervisors retrieve the footage strictly after an ambulance arrives. This screen shows standard surveillance feeds. These nodes capture terabytes of visual data daily. The systems record continuously. The footage sits in a server room indefinitely. Your cameras see everything. Your analytical systems see absolutely nothing. This dormant data forces the frontline worker to absorb all the physical risk. A near miss on the factory floor is a physical warning. This diagram illustrates the funnel of ignored warnings. Dozens of undocumented close calls aggregate over time. They inevitably mature into severe accidents and costly line stoppages. Current infrastructure analyzes failure. The human eye cannot monitor 70 camera feeds simultaneously to catch these micro-events. The fix requires software. We must install an automated system to watch the live video. This action restores operational agency to the safety team. Relying on retrospective video review is a severe architectural flaw. This blind spot drains away capital and degrades human dignity daily. Data Rams championed the principle of less but better. We apply this exact philosophy to software architecture. Technology must protect the worker through reduction. We bypass massive cloud uploads. We ignore complex hardware overhauls. This diagram maps the exact hardware implementation. We attach a single localized edge compute node directly to the existing network switch. This edge module intercepts the raw RTSP video stream. The machine vision model evaluates the footage locally on the factory floor. The system evaluates the risk and discards the raw video. It retains only the analytical metadata. This specific architecture honors the physical constraints of the plant. It demands 0 additional bandwidth. It requires 0 new cameras. We validate the hardware through a silent audit. We run the vision model passively on a single high-risk feed for 2 standard shifts. The model looks for hard operational realities. A forklift drifts too close to a pedestrian walkway. A worker steps briefly into a robotic arm's operating envelope. This graph displays a real-time hazard severity score. The internal calculation happens in milliseconds. The edge system identifies unsafe proximity events. It registers flow anomalies directly on the timeline. Precision is a strict requirement. The system must maintain a false positive rate strictly below 2%. This silent audit demands zero human intervention. It translates invisible physical risks into hard, quantifiable data. It accomplishes this without alerting the floor team. A recent 48-hour pilot yielded immediate results. The system logged 5 undocumented near misses near a specific conveyor junction. The handover happens automatically. The plant manager reviews this raw operational evidence at the end of the shift. The data forces a physical consequence. The evidence mandated an immediate layout change on the floor. The team repositioned the equipment. The localized hazard disappeared entirely. edgeai analytics expose these hidden patterns. This hard evidence bridges the gap between executive theory and operational reality. The night shift operator remains the ultimate auditor of this system. The edge model validates his physical safety. It records the hazards he quietly manages every night. This is the very essence of restorative engineering. Technology must serve human dignity. It must actively drive proactive safety. We must stop treating these camera networks as digital tombstones. When connected to localized machine learning models, they become active shields. We stop the accident before the line stops. Look at your own ceiling. Let's run a localized test on your floor this week.